Welcome to Truehost Academy. Today we're looking into affiliate marketing on TikTok. If you're ready to turn your TikTok passion into profit, stick around. First off, what is TikTok affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's promoting products or services through TikTok videos. You share links in your video captions or bio, and when people buy through those links, you earn a commission. It's a creative way to make money, and TikTok's engaging format is perfect for it. Unlike traditional affiliate marketing, which might rely on blogs or long articles, TikTok focuses on quick, captivating videos. This means you need to grab attention fast. Plus, TikTok's algorithm can help your videos go viral, reaching a large audience quickly. So why should you consider affiliate marketing on TikTok? First, TikTok's massive user base means your content has the potential to reach millions. The platform encourages creativity, letting you make fun and interesting videos to showcase products. And if your video goes viral, well, that can skyrocket your affiliate marketing efforts. Here are some effective methods to get started. Number 1. Product reviews and demonstrations. Show your audience how a product works and its benefits. Honest reviews build trust and make viewers more likely to buy through your link. Next, tutorial videos. Teach your audience how to use a product. Step-by-step guides are super helpful and can drive sales. You can also include affiliate products in your lifestyle content. Show how these products fit into your daily life. And don't forget trending challenges. Participating in popular challenges while featuring your affiliate products can attract more views and potential buyers. Now let's talk about building your TikTok audience. First, create a niche-focused profile. Choose a topic you're passionate about. Consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your followers engaged. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. This builds a community around your profile. Use TikTok's features like hashtags and duets to enhance your visibility. Ready to start? Here are the steps. First, choose your niche. Next, join affiliate programs related to your niche. Create a TikTok business account for more features and analytics. Develop a content strategy and always disclose your affiliate relationships to build trust. For success, create authentic, native content. Balance entertainment with promotion. Use trending sounds and effects to boost visibility and collaborate with other creators to reach new audiences. Like any strategy, TikTok affiliate marketing has its pros and cons. High engagement rates and potential for viral content are big advantages. But remember, the platform's volatility and short video format can be challenging. Keep track of your success by monitoring key metrics like views, likes, shares, and comments. Use TikTok's analytics to refine your strategy and track your affiliate link performance. There you have it. Affiliate marketing on TikTok can be a fun and profitable venture. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Truehost Academy, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!